Hello YouTubers, welcome to another episode. Today we have something a little bit different. We have a little bit of an unboxing to do with a package from Polar. I mentioned a few days ago that they are sending out a new watch and it has finally arrived. So which watch have I chosen? Probably you know from the title, it is... Okay, I'm going to go get some scissors. Damn it. Okay, we are back. I've got a knife instead of some scissors. The watch itself is a Polar Grit X. And I was talking to Polar when I made some videos about the heart rate training. They were saying, that's a good idea. We like heart rate training. Maybe you can make a video or videos with this watch doing some heart rate training. So if you aren't subscribed already, I would hope that you could subscribe now to make sure you are notified when I do bring out some videos relating to new heart rate training with this video, because I've been doing some research, as well as Zoe has been doing some research on other methods of measuring intensity during exercise. So is heart rate training the most effective? But that's me sort of waffling for another video. Now on to the unboxing. So I've got this open. We've got some of that, absolutely fantastic. And here it is, the Polar Grit X outdoor multi-sports watch. So I've went for the, which one did I go for? It's a white strap. There's basically a button on it, and it was a choice between a silver button or a white button. And so I went for the white button because it seemed like that was cool. And then they've also included the Polar H10 heart rate sensor. So this I want to compare to the one I've been using. So make sure again you're subscribed for that. This is a Bluetooth and Ant Plus strap that you can connect to the rowing monitor, and you can connect to a bunch of other sensors. I can actually connect this to my phone, whereas the one I've been using is locked in to the watch that I've been using, wherever that may be. But here it is. This is the Polar Grit X. Lots of different fluff on the back. Lovely little package. Ooh, shiny, shiny. I don't know if you can see that as well. And I'm going to just cut it. Will I cut it? Yeah. No, I'll not cut it. And here we go. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Oh, no. Oh, no, it's here. Oh. Ooh. Oh, it's got white on the side. Oh, it's got a white back. I like this. So the white backed one. Oh, I didn't realize I had a white back. Oh, that makes a lot more sense. So this one actually comes in only a small to medium. And so hopefully it fits my wrist. But I wanted sort of this white backed one. And then if you really want to, you can actually, if you can see, you can actually detach the wrist strap and get a different color or a different size if you see fit. And I actually think I have relatively small wrists, being 6'9", and the small medium does fit me. I'll actually have to measure my wrists and see, but here it is, the Polar Grit X on my wrist with a white strip wristband. I wonder if this will actually, in fact, it will get dirty because I've already made it dirty. Fantastic. So in the box itself, we have the watch, as you can tell. One of these, which is the USB charger. So it looks like it just slips on its little disc. And then what else do we have in the box? The box is a bit weird. Oh, it opens like so. What else? We've got all the bump as well. So the warranty cards, the user manual, that obviously I will be reading later on. But that is essentially it for the Polar Grit X unboxing. Very simple affair, to be perfectly honest. And then we have the H10 strap as well, but you don't need to know about that one, the unboxing for that. Everyone knows what a heart rate strap is. But again, I will be making some videos on this watch in particular versus what I've been using before. Is it accurate? Is it not? Is it more accurate? Is it less accurate? It uses sensors on the back as well as being able to use a heart rate strap for the chest to make sure you are getting accurate readings. But, as always, Yam Squad, remember to subscribe if you haven't already, especially for the new videos to do with this. Hit that like button, and I will see you in the next episode. Are you?